everyone, this is Cecilia. Today I want to make an introduction for our Dominica Republic Market. Because Dominica Republic Market is always hot season, so they will have a very big demand for our air conditioner. Do you like purchasing the inverter cooling only functions? The most popular capacity is 9,000 BTU, 12,000 BTU, 18,000 BTU. They normally will be matched with 3 meters cooler pack. We provide the OEM service for the market. If you want to know more information about our air conditioner, please feel free to contact with me.